Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And how good is the VPN that is integrated with Firefox? So I've been playing with the VPN, Firefox VPN, for the past hour or so, and checking out the different options. Of course, you have to create or log in into a Firefox account in order to use the Firefox VPN. And once you do, then you can turn on or off the VPN. You can choose your location. So I've chosen Kingdom for now. I did choose France, United States. I also let it choose automatically where it actually tries to find the fastest VPN that I can use. And it ended up using a VPN in Ontario, Canada. So these are options that you have, and they apply to the web pages that you go and visit after the VPN is on. So it works well. It is fast. I've tried different locations, and I've tried the speed tests for the internet, and I have to say that most locations that have been chosen by the Firefox VPN are quite fast. Have very fast internet connections, so they would be perfect if you use, for example, a VPN to view content in another country which is not available where you are, things like that. This will work, and this will work fine. It seems to be quite fast and quite good. I also noticed, because I've been playing for an hour, and I noticed that you kind of end up noticing that 50 gigabytes of free VPN is not that much. So it's almost like if you do want to use it, you'll have to think about where to use it wisely. As today, in today's world, it's incredible, because when I go back in time thinking about 50 gigabytes, come on, that's I'll never reach that. Well, now it's super easy to actually go through a 50 gigabyte in a month. So works well. As you see here, I've chosen United Kingdom, and when you look at the page here, that is where what's my IP address? It's giving me an IP address that is based in London, and it says the ISP is Mozilla Corporation, and so this is definitely it works well, and really shuffles things around, not showing your real location, and could be a good VPN to use from time to time if you're not somebody that needs a VPN every day, but from time to time might use services or do something. It's a way also to hide yourself a little bit. So if you go to a website where your actual location is not what you would like to show, well, you can get onto Firefox and just turn on the VPN, go visit that website with the Firefox VPN instead, which will show a different location. So it could be a very useful feature from time to time. It's not meant to be used all the time every day, because you'll run out of 50 gigabytes fast, but definitely a good way of getting online privately from time to time, without having to install any software or go through all sorts of hoops. It definitely works great. So I think it's a great option that Mozilla is actually offering us in Firefox. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.